Dryer lint is very flammable, and it does have the tendency to collect in the dryer vent duct. So, to prevent the possibility of your house from burning down from this, you want to periodically clean that dryer vent. Here's the process that I use, and it's very easy. In my case, my dryer is a natural gas dryer. Normally, if the dryer is installed properly, the flexible gas line is long enough you don't have to disconnect it. You just pull the dryer out. However, to clarify for this video, I went ahead and disconnected it and completely removed the dryer. Again, you shouldn't have to do that, especially if you don't know how to work on natural gas lines. Electric dryers, much simpler, just unplug them and pull them out. My venting is all solid ductwork. There is none of this flexible venting stuff in my system because I replaced it all. The flexible venting ducts seem to collect lint at an exponential rate. So, since I know there's no flexible venting inside my dryer exhaust, let's proceed with cleaning. First, I remove the vent cover on the outside of the house, usually held in with just 4 screws. Pull the dryer out so you get access to the dryer vent. Then go to your shed and grab your leaf blower. On the dryer side of the exhaust duct, stick the leaf blower in and give it a shot. This is about 1 year's worth of accumulation. Let's take another look at that from a different angle. Sounds like a jet engine taking off, doesn't it? After 30 seconds of blowing the vent, you can reinstall the cover and put your dryer back in, and you're all done. I would like to, however, warn you about a very, very important danger. If the brand name of the leaf blower using is steel, there's a serious safety flaw with these units that you need to be aware of. This innocuous little looking hole is actually the exhaust for this unit. The air coming out of it is extremely hot. There are no placards anywhere on this steel leaf blower that warns you that's the exhaust or exactly how hot it is when it's coming out. So if you carry a running leaf blower the way I did right here, injury will occur. Right here, the exhaust passed in front of my shorts. Since it was moving quickly, pretty much it just melted them. However, over on this side, the exhaust stayed for a few seconds. It burned a hole right through my shorts and gave me second-degree burns, complete with blistering. To keep the video family-friendly, I am not showing the burn. So this is just something you want to keep in mind when you're using the leaf blower. It'd probably be best to actually put it in place and start it, but not be behind it while you're doing it. Especially if it's a steel. Well, thanks for watching.